Today I'm going to show you 8 accessories that are going to make the Health app a lot more useful for you. Because reality is the Health app is an incredible app that displays information of your health. But if you don't give the Health app information, data about your body, the Health app will just be sitting there on your iPhone worthless. And that's why today I wanted to show you most of the accessories and products that I use on my daily life that make me have a better understanding on my health and of my body. I have a smart scale from iHealth, and the design of it, first of all, is absolutely stunning. It's made out of glass and has this little tiny display to show off your weight. Now, this isn't a normal scale, it's a smart scale. And the cool thing about it is that it's compatible with Apple Health. So every single time you weigh yourself, you can simply open up the iHealth app and it will show you tons of information about your body. It will monitor your weight, your body fat, your body water, your muscle mass, your lean mass, and visceral fat. Honestly, the reason that I use it for is for it to simply track my weight. So once you actually weigh yourself, all of that information will go directly inside of Apple Health. And as you can see, inside of my Health app, I've got tons of information, but if I go to the bottom, you can actually see weight. And over here, I can go to my past months. And that's the cool thing about information, that you can actually see an overview on your weight. You can actually tap on show all data right here, and it will actually give you not only the date that you actually weighed yourself, but the source that it actually came through. As you can see, source iHealth. Cool thing about this is that it's all automatically, such as my next accessory, this guy right here. Now, this ring right here is the Ultra Human Air. There are tons of smart rings out there, such as the Oura Ring. The Ultra Human is probably one of the best ones out there. And a smart ring is really useful for a lot of people because it tracks a lot of your data, and even better than your Apple Watch in certain occasions. But reality is both devices are very similar, but the best thing about the ring is for those people that don't like wearing watches, but they still want to track their health. It's got incredible battery life, and it's very comfortable, which means it's a great device to actually track your sleep on. Because look, the Apple Watch is great at sleep tracking as well, kind of. But the thing is, I just don't like sleeping with a watch. That's where smart rings really come in as well. Now, this right here is the Ultra Human app. Now, all of this information goes directly to Apple Health, which is incredible. But I just want to give you a quick overview on the app itself and all the information that it gives you. So first off, you've got your sleep index, and it will let you know information and insights about your sleep, stimulant permissible window, you've got your body temperature, you've got your stress levels. So as you can see, if I actually open up Apple Health and I go to sleep, this information right here actually came from my ring. And since the ring also has my heart rate, it also shows me the heart rate of my sleep and tons of information inside of Apple Health. So once again, that's the magic of these accessories, that you've got your own app, which is cool, but going back to the main Health app, you've got all the information from all the accessories. You know, my next accessory is actually not an accessory because it lives right in your devices, and it's all about mental health. Because yes, it's okay to not be okay sometimes. And it feels like society sometimes it doesn't make us feel like that. Sometimes we always have to be okay. But reality is, it's okay to not be okay. And that's where the sponsor of this video comes in. BetterHelp. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you a helpful and unbiased advice. Because yes, sometimes family and friends just isn't enough. Sometimes you just want to talk to somebody external from your circle about your problems of life. It's super easy to connect with your therapist. You first go to their website, you answer a few questions about you personally, so BetterHelp can actually connect you with the perfect therapist for yourself. And all of these therapists are professionals who have years of experience helping people with struggles. You can do it from your iPhone, your Mac, your iPad, your laptop, whatever. And the cool thing about it is that you can phone call, a video call, or even just message the therapist. It's super quick as well. You'll be able to match a therapist within more or less 48 hours. Let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist who can support you all from the comfort of your home. Visit betterhelp.com/SinkiesMolina and enjoy a special discount on your first month. Yeah, I mean, you're welcome. I know you have problems. We all do. It's okay. So I'm here to help you. I mean, BetterHelp is here to help you. Thank me later. Now, not all accessories are compatible with Apple Health, but there's actually tons of accessories health related that I actually use every single day that I wanted to show you either way. Starting off with the Life In toothbrush. Now, yes, you've probably seen tons of sponsorships about this toothbrush. They even sponsored me. This video isn't sponsored by them, but I just wanted to show you either way because I'm actually using it every single day and it's amazing. Basically an Apple toothbrush. I mean, if you take a look at the unboxing experience, it feels like an iPhone, even when you like the stickers and everything. It feels like you're unboxing an Apple product. I literally have it right here. I mean, just look at the box. Isn't it freaking cool? Apart from the box, apart from the unboxing experience, the actual toothbrush works so well because it actually combines high frequency vibrations of up to 66,000 times per minute with an ultra wide 60-degree oscillation. So basically standard toothbrushes literally just vibrate, but this one actually oscillates. So it literally does like this while it's actually vibrating. The only thing you gotta know is you basically shove it in your mouth and it does all the toothbrushing for you. It's amazing. You've basically got this MagSafe that actually connects directly to USB-C. And the surprising thing about it is that it actually doesn't break the bank. Like, it's not that expensive. Apart from toothbrushes, they're also really known for their hair dryers. And they've also got this exclusive technology that compensates the excessive heat by alternating hot and cold air streams. And that's mainly to avoid hair damage. Its motor is super strong, so you can dry your hair with such a short time. But honestly, if you're an Apple fan like me, you probably appreciate design. And the design of the Life In hair dryer is stunning. You've also got this tiny LED in the back, which you can actually change the motor speeds to green, blue, or red, I believe. I love having these little health accessories at home, such as the hair dryer or like the toothbrush that are very Apple-like, and I feel like Life In really gets that. The next accessory that I wanted to tell you about is the obvious, the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is one of those devices that syncs, obviously, with Apple Health to perfection. The Apple Watch has so many health features. Starting off with the mindfulness app, you can actually meditate with your Apple Watch with guided meditations, and you've got this little tiny animation that is super cool because little tiny animation that makes it super easy to understand your breathing exercises that you have to do. You've got the activity app that measures your move, your exercise, and your stand. And your goal every single day is to complete those rings in order to be healthier. It also counts your steps. That all goes directly to Apple Health. You can check your heart rate with your Apple Watch. You can even take ECGs or even check your blood oxygen level. You can also track your sleep, even though there's a lot of people like me that don't really like sleeping with a watch on. I personally prefer just wearing a ring because I just kind of forget that it's there. Did you know that the Apple Watch actually has tons of sensors that Apple isn't actually using? You want to know how you can activate them right now and actually unlock secret Apple Watch features? You know what you can do? You can tap this video. I mean, you're gonna thank me later. I mean, I'm helping you out with your mental health, with all these accessories, and now unlocking. I mean, the least thing that you can do is subscribe. Bye-bye. Have a good day.